And we're back with Reagan Larson and Natalie Sullivan, two seniors on the softball team.
And we're going to ask them about their opinion on the game.
So, how are y'all feeling about the game tonight?
There's really been too bad.
How do you think it's going to go?
Huh?
How do you think it's going to go?
I think we're going to fight hard.
What are your opinions on the defending state champions, Appling County?
They're good.
Are they as good as they were last year?
I think so.
They didn't really lose many.
Do you think y'all make it far in the playoffs?
Yeah.
We keep on fighting. You know, the Bears keep fighting.
Yeah. Now we're going to bring up Kylie Allen and Kaden Scott for an interview.
All right, thank y'all.
Okay, we're back with Cadence Godwin and Kylie Allen. Okay. What are y'all's thoughts on this season so far?
I think if we keep fighting, we'll do good this year. Yeah.
What's another question?
What are y'all most excited for this season? As we're getting started in region play.
I'm so ready for
Are you excited for playoffs?
playoffs, yeah.
Are y'all going to
Oh,
make it
hey.
far in playoffs?
Can they see our face?
Cadence, we're live on air. We're live.
What are y'all most sad for since it's y'all senior year?
Yeah.
Is senior year going good so far?
No. No. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for tuning in to Cadence and Kylie. Okay. Now we're interviewing Olivia Bennett. Olivia, what do you like most about freshman year? What do you like about freshman year?
What do you like about high school?
I can't hear you. What do you like about freshman year? It's amazing, Will. I like. Is it better than middle school? Yeah. Do I still need to answer that? Yeah. Okay. What's your thoughts on it? There's more freedom. More freedom. That's a good one. There is more freedom. It's raining. It's raining. Okay, now it's raining, so we're gonna get Olivia out of the rain.
I just want to make y'all aware, Pierce County High School cheerleaders are selling Boston butt tickets. If you would like one, please let me, Britton Larson, know. You can message me on Facebook.